Hey everyone, welcome back to Bear's Workshop. In today's video, we're going to see the 274th flyover of the Nikola site in Coolidge, Arizona. I want to start off by saying I'm sorry, not sorry. I've not been able to make a video in a while. This is just one of those things where life has to come first, where I can do things that will make me money, as opposed to what turned into more of a hobby because I wasn't making any money doing it. At least not enough to pay anything, really anything. So therefore, my focus has to be on making money, taking care of my family, and building up my next business, which most of you know already is Toro. We're sitting at 61 cars. We've got another one on the way this week. So we've been very busy. We've turned it into a private rental system. So we're doing both Toro, and we have a new webpage, and that is snapcars.com. That is snapcarz.com. And we have rental cars available. We have, between me and my partner, we have about 160 different cars available now that are coming in from the Phoenix airport or picking up at the Phoenix airport. So anyone local to Phoenix or coming in through the airport can rent a car there. So I encourage everyone to take a look at that site, and maybe you guys can support me through that. That would be wonderful. Except for Lucid Nair, I don't want him renting any of my cars. Anyway, we're going to let the video speak for itself. There hasn't been much in the way of construction. Most of the building is wrapped up pretty good. Can't see anything inside. There's lots of trucks still around. I see about once a week, I'll see a Nikola truck on the road, usually going from I-10. It's somewhere on I-10, and I'll see it's usually a battery electric, probably driving from the factory up to headquarters, because that's where I see them, in between that area, and they're always driving westbound. Well, yeah, they're always driving westbound from every time I see them, and I see about once a week. I saw one today, as a matter of fact. So they're still out there. They don't have trailers on them, so it doesn't look like they're testing them. But when we're at the site today, you will see a fuel cell, a hydrogen electric, pulling a trailer with what looks about to be 36,000 pounds of weight. I only say that based on the fact that I think those blocks are 4,000 pounds each. If they're more than that, then it's more weight. If it's less than that, it's less weight. But I can't weigh those blocks, but I've heard they're about 4,000 pounds. I've also heard that they're about 4,400 pounds. And if that's the case, then they are closer to 40,000 pounds. In any case, here comes the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. So thanks for watching. Hit that like button and take a look at our new webpage, snapcars.com. Thank you for watching. See you later, guys. Let's go fly.